All right, so welcome back, everyone. I was going to kind of walk everyone through the first problem on the homework sheet just to make sure we're doing okay with this. So if you read the question, it says anthropologists use a linear model that relates femur length to height. The model allows an anthropologist to determine the height of an individual when only a partial skeleton, including the femur, is found. For this example, we find the model by analyzing the femur length and the height for the 10 males given in the table. So the first thing they ask us to figure out is our linear regression equation. So the first thing we want to do is enter our data. So you'll press second, enter. You should see list one, list two. If you don't see this, I just posted a video before this that might help kind of clear that up. If you already have data, remember you just highlight the title of your data, like your column. You make sure you press the clear button, not the delete button. If you press the delete button, you're going to delete the column, and you might want to watch my previous video to get help with that. But we're going to just type in our femur length. So I'm just typing it from the data. Be really careful when you type these in. Last thing you want to do is make a mistake. Oop, I just did. All right, fix that. 44.5, 42.7. 39.5, 38, and we're going to put our y values or our height values under our list 2. So 178.3, 173.6, 164.8, 163.7, 168.3, 165, 155. And one tip, I mean, you should always like have the same amount of numbers in each column. So if these aren't ever like level, you might have just typed or forgot a number in one of yours, you might have to re-put it in. But we got our data plugged in, so we can do second quit. We'll go under stat, we'll move under to the calculation menu, we'll do the fourth one, press enter. And if you don't see your R value, I did post my first video, kind of shows you how you can get that set up if you want to check that out. But our equation would be approximately, I'm just going to put 2 decimal places. So we have y equals 1.92x plus 80.68. So that would be our first answer. Just plugging this in for the A, plugging this in for the B. And then the second question on our homework asks what the correlation coefficient is. So that's this R value, so it'd be 0.96. What that tells us is there's a positive correlation, like the bigger the femur is, the bigger the height, and it's a very strong correlation. So this would actually be quite useful if you were like an anthropologist and you had a partial skeleton, but you had the femur, you'd be able to estimate the height of that individual quite accurately. So then it asks us, an anthropologist finds a femur of length 58 centimeters. How tall was that person? So just keep in mind, femur length is an X value. So we're going to plug that in for X into our equation. So if we did so, we'd have 1.92 parentheses 58 plus our B value of 80.68. So our femur length of this individual would be the height of this individual would be approximately 192.04 centimeters. So I hope this was helpful. See if you can try the second question. We'll probably go over that to start tomorrow. But mess around with this, because the more comfortable you are, it'll kind of help you when you get to your Barbie bungee project tomorrow. But I hope you guys are all doing well. Sorry for all the videos, but I hope this is helpful. I know this is all new to you, but I promise once you get more comfortable with these calculators, that they're really nice in a lot of regards. But I hope you're all doing well. Have a good one.